Thursday. We are walking into Lime Rock Park. We're gonna get ready for a track walk and just getting set up and ready. I think the guys are already in here with the car, and should be pretty much good to go for our SCP Euro Northeast Grand Prix. Everybody, it's Friday morning. We just got done with our drivers meeting, and then we got practice at 11:45. Looks like it would be dry. You see it's pretty sunny right now, getting warm, pretty humid, but lots of clouds in the area that might bring us some rain. So we'll see for second practice, might get a little wet, and for qualifying this afternoon, the forecast looks pretty wet. So that could get a little interesting, but really jam-packed afternoon with 3 sessions for us, and then we go racing tomorrow. Practice 1 is over. We had a good session. Vic drove most of it, did a lot of changes to the car, hopped on a new set of tires at the end, and he was P4, just a 10th off the leader, so we're definitely in the ballpark. So far, staying dry, getting hot. We have another session in about an hour. Might see some rain partway through that session, we'll see. And then looks like probably some rain for qualifying later in the afternoon. So, so far going well. We'll see if we can get up a little bit higher on the timesheets and go racing tomorrow. got done with qualifying, ended up on the pole position for GTD, puts us obviously in a great position for tomorrow. I think we should, be in a good place, and that'll set us up for keeping the car up front and in clean air, which should help with tire wear and everything. Tire degradation looks really bad here, so yeah, hopefully we can keep it out front, hand it over to Mick nice and clean, and go from there. Race day morning, a little after 10 o'clock. We're going to go do a recon lap here in a few minutes, then grid walk, and then we'll start racing at noon and start P1. Should be good.
Now, we move on over to the GT class, your multiple pole award winner, number 32, Team Korthoff Motorsports Mercedes-AMG GT-3.
just about an hour to go. First stint, I led the whole thing, and then we caught an unlucky yellow that kind of bunched everybody back up. Lost some position under yellow doing pit stops. Second stint, we just drove around kind of saving fuel, trying to hold position. And yeah, the second yellow, right as Mick got in, I don't know if it helped or hurt us. We dropped a little bit, I think back to 5th or 6th. So yeah, we'll see. Mick's got it all the way to the finish for about an hour. Hopefully we can move it back up, maybe get on the podium, and keep this thing up front. We're done back in the paddock. Unfortunately, we got hit a couple of times, got spun out when Mick was in the car, ended up dropping back to P10. Car's got a few dings and hits, banged up the diffuser and the rear bumper a bit. But we survived, we finished, but pretty frustrating day. Come back P10 after leading the first stint and having it on the pole is pretty rough. So unfortunately, we're on to the next one. We got Indy test coming up, and then Road America is our next race.